I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and let me take you through the unboxing experience of this sequel to the original OnePlus Watch. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Now, before you even unbox, there should be a cling film that's wrapping around the box. So this should be there. If it's not there, then you need to find out from your supplier or from your store why it's not there. So you kind of have to get through this first. Let me just cut it with a knife. So that's what the box looks like after I remove that polythene film. And let's try and lift the top part of the box. It's a bit tight, but finally we get through. And that's what you first see when you open the box. So the watch is at the top. So let's pick out the watch. And first put it to the side. I'm not sure what that one does, but let's pick this up. Open it like that. And then we have what appears to be the manual and warranty booklets on the left, and on the right is what I assume is the charger. So let's take out this one first. So this is the charger itself, the Type-C connector, and what I assume is a Type-C cable. There you go. So full size Type A on one side and then Type-C on the other side. There you go. So that's the charger itself with the connector pins, which should connect to the bottom of the watch. And then the cable. Okay. On this other side, like I said, should be some documentation. It's a manual and nothing else. So now you can put all that to the side. Let's have a look at this watch. So that is the first look at this watch. We have this greenish grayish straps, and then you have the steel frame and this AMOLED display, which is 1.43 inches, and that's going to be interesting to look at, and I'll be having my feedback on that display in the full review. So opening up the straps, there you go. So those are your connector pins, the one that go into these pins here. Then you have your sensors down there. You have the OnePlus logo at the back, and then you have your standard 22mm straps. That means you can get any other straps like leather straps if you prefer leather, and hook them up to this watch. Okay, but that is basically the unboxing experience. That's what the watch looks like, and that's what you get in the box. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.